Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to another Facebook marketing tutorial on my YouTube channel. Now this is going to be an extremely crisp and short tutorial. All I intend to do here is show you the latest update that Facebook has come up with in custom audiences. You can now create ads for a lot of different kind of engagement that users have either with your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, your events, your videos. So say you have a video and users have been engaging a lot with that video. Now in the next step of the funnel, you want to create another ad and just show it to people who engaged with that particular video. That is in fact possible now. To do that, you need to create a custom audience. So to get started, once you're in your ads manager, go under audiences, and once you're here, create a custom audience. In this list of custom audiences, the last one here is engagement. Let's select that. Now these are all the different kind of engagements you can select to target. There is video. So if someone's spent time watching your video, you can show them another ad. If someone's responded to your lead form, you can show them an ad. If someone's responded to your Facebook Canvas ads or a Canvas in general, you can show them an ad. Here you can show ads to people who've responded to your Facebook page, interacted with your page in any way, or with your Instagram profile. And finally, people who've engaged with an event. Maybe they've responded as interested or going to an event. So if you select video, you will have to select people who viewed your video for 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. You can also select the kind of video. You can choose a particular video and target like that. In case of lead generation form, you can target specific forms. In case of Facebook page, people who engaged with your page. You can narrow it down to people who sent you messages or engaged with us any certain posts, and so on and so forth. So this is really interesting. The way I look at it is, suppose say you wanted to convert people to through some kind of an ad. What you could do is create a video and target it to a vast majority of people, and once a lot of people have seen the video and they understand what your business is, now you can probably create a lead generation form and target to only those people who already know your business because say they've seen 50% of the video. There's a lot of combinations you can make here and do some really interesting things. And finally, once you've created a custom audience, as you might already be knowing, you go to Ads Manager, create a campaign. And while you're defining the audience for the ad, you can just select the custom audience, name it here, and you can select your custom audience.
And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something new and add value to you. If I did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more marketing content. If you're looking to have a one-on-one session with me, the best way to reach me is through Instagram. The link is right here. Thank you.